Okay, guys, good luck. We're going live. This is for my giveaway for the Victoria Day weekend. See, here's my list here. We had 693 entries this time. Not as many as normal, but it was a shorter event. So there's everybody's names. Just going to copy them all up on the bottom. Oops, sorry, copy. Into random. I'll scroll up to show everybody the names that they did go in. And we will random 3 times since we're in the clubhouse. Mike likes 3, so we'll go with 3. Times 4:13 p.m. Eastern. We'll random the first time. Slide down. I just want to show this. There's 693, and there should be, where's the list? 693. Okay, guys, so there is a correct number that we're copied over. Again, time 4:13 p.m. Eastern. Second random. And final random at 4:14 p.m. Eastern. There we go. Top 10 win. So there are the top 10 names right there. I'm just going to copy them over. Sorry, guys, I don't know if you can hear me. My headphones have been acting up, so you might not be able to hear me properly. There are the prizes. Copy those over. Go into random. I'm going to random these as well 3 times. 4:14 p.m. Eastern, first random. Again, 4:14, second random. Third clubhouse random, 4:14. And there's the prizes all mixed up there. Copy those over. And again, there's a time, it's 4:15. Let's increase the size of this so you guys can actually read it. Okay, Patrick Rubble, you won the M-Num Mystery Pack. Tim Smith, you won the 2014 Don Ross Rookies box. Only the auto and the insert will ship on that because it's a really heavy box. Mike Hancock, you got the Sleepy Hollow Hobby Box. Aaron Antonello, the Star Wars Rogue One Blaster. CJ Gibson, the 2015 Prism Blaster Box. Marty, you won the next 4 in a row. You won the 2016 Don Ross Football Blaster, the 2016 Playoff Football Blaster, the Carlos Colon 8x10 Auto, and the Leslie Nickel 8x10 Auto. And Mike Hancock, you won the 2010-11 Score Rookies and Traded box. Only the Auto and the Golds will ship on that one, okay? So, again, those are the prizes, guys. Thank you for joining in the event. Thanks for all the auction wins, guys. We are done. Time 4:16 p.m. Eastern. Thanks, guys.